Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to recalibrate the joysticks on your Nintendo Switch. Just in case you have a problem of drifting or you think that your joysticks are not being calibrated properly, it's not working as expected, you can always recalibrate your joystick to fix those problems. So ensure that guys you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or instructions that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for my new videos. Let's get started. In my previous videos guys, I have already shown you how to upgrade the joystick of your Joycons to an higher end Hall effect based sensor joystick. So if you have not seen that video guys, I will put the link of the video above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So here guys, in this video, let's start with the calibration process. To calibrate your joysticks, you need to go onto the system settings, scroll all the way down where it says controllers and sensors. Here onto this mode, you need to go on to calibrate control sticks, click on that, and then whichever joystick you want to calibrate, just tilt it to one side and hold it. We'll start with the left one. As you can see, once you have hold it down, you have this plus icon. Whenever you do not touch your joystick, you should have this plus icon in the center, and then whenever you rotate, it should turn into a pointer and move all around the circle. Just in case this circle is not blue or you're moving away from it, that means that your joystick is not calibrated. So if you're moving somewhere like this and then it turns off at some place and goes off to this circle, that means that your joystick is not calibrated. Or whenever you leave it to the center position and the plus sign is not there, that's also how you know that your joystick is not calibrated properly. In my case it is calibrated, but I will still show you how to recalibrate your joystick. To do that, you need to click on X. It will say that in case you have a problem with your joystick, you can recalibrate. Click on A to start the process. Then it will ask you to deflect your joystick to capture the maximum values in all the direction. All you need to do is move your joystick to the right and hold it for 1 or 2 seconds and leave it. In each direction you have to follow the same process, 1 or 2 seconds and leave it. Leave it. And then on the top, ensure that you are on this blue line before you release. Don't worry about your joystick. If it is not centered, it will automatically recalibrate your center point as well. Now you need to rotate your joystick so that it takes the analog value around 360 degrees of your movement. To ensure that you move slowly and you are rotating in all the direction properly. As you can see, your calibration process is completed. Now it's time to retest your calibration if it works fine. Whenever you do not touch or deflect, your joystick will always come back to the center position and it will show as a plus mark. And whenever you move your joystick in the circle, it will always highlight the circle this time. So that is how you know your joystick is calibrated. You can follow the same process for the right joystick as well. We'll do that quickly. To close this, we need to go on back and then hold the right joystick in one direction to activate the calibration process. Here as well, you can test if your center point is not calibrated, it will not come back to a plus sign, or whenever you move around this circle, the circle will not be turned as blue. It will be somewhere below. It will not be activating the circle at some point of time. So that is how you know your joystick is not calibrated. We'll start with the calibration process again. X and A to start the process. Again, right and release. Right and release. Left and release. And top and release. And then turn it around, rotate and then your calibration process is completed. Click on A to finish the calibration, and now it's time to test. As if I deflect right now, as you can see, it always return to center. As you would have noticed before, even though my joystick was not coming to center properly, but after the calibration, you can see it's always pointing to the center. So that's how it always accounts for the dead zone. And then whenever I move around it as well, every time the circle is activated in all the directions. So that is how I know my right joystick is calibrated as well. So this is it, guys. This completes the tutorial on how to recalibrate the joystick on your Nintendo Switch. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.